The Liebherr 9250 Super stands upright by standing out from the competition. It is built with a solid construction that allows it to tackle the toughest tasks with ease. Whether it's large-scale mining operations or large construction projects, this machine takes the challenge. The Liebherr 9250 Super is equipped with a huge bucket that can handle enormous volumes of material. Whether it's soil, rock or rubble, this machine can pick it up and move it easily. The bucket is specifically designed for optimum digging and loading efficiency, making it a force to be reckoned with on any job site. This super machine is built specifically to tackle a variety of tasks, from dredging rivers and lakes to coastal construction and underwater exploration. This beast machine is equipped with special features that allow it to operate smoothly in aquatic environments. First of all, it has an advanced buoyancy system that ensures it stays stable and afloat in the water, guaranteeing efficient operation without sacrificing safety. The multi-ship cormorant is a true naval titan, built specifically for demanding naval operations. With its massive size and impressive capabilities, it is a force to be reckoned with in the shipping industry. Equipped with powerful engines, the multi-ship cormorant is capable of generating an astonishing amount of thrust. This allows it to maneuver quickly in water, making it highly efficient in a variety of naval operations. Its powerful pumps, water cannons and firefighting equipment ensure the safety of both crew and cargo, making it a crucial asset in protecting ships and fighting sea fires. Its design is tailor-made to meet the unique challenges presented by underwater environments. It has a robust hydraulic system and a powerful engine, specially manufactured to provide the necessary force and torque required for underwater excavation. With its enormous digging power, it can easily burrow into the seabed or riverbed, removing sediment, rocks, and debris. The Robins XRE TBM is a true titan in the world of tunneling and excavation. It's designed to conquer the most challenging underground projects, from massive transportation tunnels to intricate sewer systems. Let's start with the sheer size of this beast. The Robins XRE TBM is an absolute giant, stretching over several stories in height and extending for hundreds of feet. Its robust and sturdy construction ensures stability and durability, allowing it to bore through various types of rock and soil with ease. Aquatic is a powerhouse in the world of mobile crushing and screening equipment. It is designed to handle even the toughest materials and demanding applications with ease. Let's start with the size and power of this machine. Aquatic is a heavy-duty mobile crusher and screener that combines astonishing power with exceptional mobility. Built to withstand the rigors of a variety of industries, from quarrying to mining, construction to recycling. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic systems, Aquatic offers astonishing crushing and screening performance. Its robust design allows it to handle large volumes of materials such as blasted rock, concrete, or asphalt.